Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to track Instagram metrics in 2026 step by step. So if you want to understand your account performance and grow more strategically, tracking the right metrics is super important. Instagram metrics help you understand what content is working and what's not. Instead of guessing, you can use real data to improve your posts and reels. First, make sure your account is set as a creator or business account, because Instagram Insights are only available for professional accounts. Now go to your Instagram profile and open the Professional Dashboard or Insights section. One of the first things to monitor is reach and impressions. Reach shows how many unique people saw your content, while impressions count total views. Instead of checking analytics randomly, create a routine. Reviewing your metrics weekly or monthly makes trends much easier to spot. One common mistake is caring only about follower count. Engagement, watch time, saves, and shares usually matter much more for long-term growth. And that's basically the full guide to tracking Instagram metrics in 2026. Keep studying your analytics, testing new content ideas, and improving based on real audience behavior.